Hello there, we are at Baxter Maywell's hip, doing some maintenance to the building, going to hit it today. Currently digging, so we can get rid of this log. Got a bit of a crew here today.
Yeah, dog.
Two people dropped in already and hit some jumps, so yeah, he's probably gonna die. Me?
Are you gonna send it, Coop?
Yeah, digging.
Let's go.
Get me protein in. Oh.
Ah! Alright guys, if you haven't noticed, I'm today's filmer. I'm awesome at filming.
Harry Foy has been replaced. Put out for chat for Harry. Rest in peace, Harry. I'm gonna miss him.
Anyways, we got the log moved down there somewhere. Got a clear run in now. Let's go down the bottom and show you this jump. Wow, that was so good. What are the thoughts, Bryce?
Needs a bit of a reshape. People are on it in the wrong spot, so it's not going to last too long, but we'll fix it up. As the trail builder always does. You know?
Hard at work right here.
I'm just trying to even it out a little bit. Yeah, that's better. At the moment, we've got wires ripping slipping, so you actually see when you land.
Slash.
Someone buy it.
You heard it here first, people. Isn't this Archer Bailey's?
Yep.
There you go.
Stole it from him right out of his garage.
Thief. This is the camera woman's DJ. What? Pretty fire.
He doesn't know how to speak, let alone.
Okay, so Ryan Cooper hitting this jump as a step up. You good to go? Ready? Yep.
Oi! Who's going higher, me or Cooper? Alright.
Cooper.
It's coming out.
I haven't gone yet.
Over here we've got bricks. We found bricks.
Wait, Cooper, get out of the way. Wait, clear.
We gotta move them.
Stay. Stay.
That was too hard for no reason.
Here goes Rye. They are yet to clear it. Bryce, do you think you could clear it?
Well, DJ will be right. Go on the let right go up first.
How's it going, Bryce?
Alright. Trying to get all the sketchy stuff out, all the bricks that's in it. Bit of a workout, so steep as well. Everything just crumbles. But trying to make it safe as possible so don't fall and then smash in on a brick like that. That's a bit hospital. So, do the extra 20 minutes of digging and make it safe, and yeah, so no one gets hurt. I've got to fill in a few holes as well that are here and there for the wombats. But no one's going to land down there, just fill it in. Because why not? Get use this crappy dirt. And yeah, keen to hit it though. Can't wait, the boys already hit it. I'm just trying to get it pretty safe. So yeah, I'm keen.
You heard it, he's keen.
Oh, that was better.
Here goes Cooper Hammer. Ooh! Fresh. Alright, Bryce has finally decided to hit it. Yeah, you're good to go. Let's go. Off the brakes, bruh.
What are you fucking doing?
Oh my day. Will Bryce actually hit it this time?
Go.
Oh,
That was fucking
he hit it.
Just fucking put your fucking foot down.
We got the gobstoppers.
Cooper, can you bring my phone down?
Bryce is a little cold.
Oh, it's little, I'm freezing.
It is very cold.
Yeah.
It's yummy.
It's alright. We got the mega sour blue raspberry slime.
What do you rate it out of 10?
Better 4. I mean,
But you know it's better. God, stop this. What the?
yeah. I mean, it's not good, but it's not bad. It's like, you know, have that one annoying friend who's sort of good at riding bikes, but very annoying, you know?
Yeah.
Imagine being gluten-free. Sucks a suck. That's the point where you turn the camera and face you. Imagine being gluten-free. Sucks a suck. Anyway,